This here is my original planning for the drone that I made. Flying saucer style design, streamlined, aerodynamic. I also came up with a general assembly for all the individual components and how they would orient with one another. This was pretty helpful in planning the measurements for the individual components that would all fit together properly. A lot of these measurements wound up changed, but it definitely helped in trying to assemble my components. Okay, here is my drone on the CAD programming. In the interest of time, I've set up the motion study beforehand. Now what's going to happen is this fan blade here will move in both directions, counterclockwise and clockwise. It'll start off clockwise. Now this is to show you that both you can lift off the ground with the drone, and also in the counterclockwise direction you'd be propelling towards the ground for a descent. Now let's go for a top view so you can see the fan blade spinning. And here we go. That's forwards, reverse, and we did one quick spin again. I'll play it again. Once more. Now, to give you a quick rundown on this. Now I wanted to go with a pretty streamlined and aerodynamic design. We have this on the bottom, a slotted engine compartment, one for easy, quick, for a quick and serviceable engine. We also have be able to have a nice flight path, being that we're pushing air from both directions if when need be. Now let's start and look at some individual components. This here is the passenger compartment. We're going to take that off. Take off the engine casing for now, fan blade, and now we're looking solely at the upper casing. This is what the passenger compartment is mounted to there. We also have a small post coming out. That's what attaches to the fan blade. Now that's an H8 F7 fit. So that's going to be a close running to allow for the fan blade to spin without affecting the top casing overall placement and connectivity. So we can also put that on. It fits like so. Now this post coming out of the fan blade, this post coming out of the fan blade here, that's actually going to be geared at the bottom in reality, and that would be connected to your engine. Now we can also animate this joint. Let's do that while we look at the rest of it. So now you can watch that spin. Now with the engine casing on, that's on the bottom. So that's how that would look. That's our top. Let's go to top view. And now with our passenger compartment on, that's where you control the drone from and drive. And that's how she would work.